VJ Army, come with me and let us construct literally the most beautiful wedding dress you have ever seen.
Hello beautiful people, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video, and in today's video we are going to be learning the materials that Veekee James used in making this beautiful dress. This is part 1 of this video because in 2 other videos we are going to be making the skirt part and the corset part. So if this is the journey you like to embark on, keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends, and do well to click the subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get into the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
So I traveled all the way to Turkey to get my wedding dress fabrics. I knew for a fact that I wanted to wear a very classic, timeless masterpiece, and it's just had to be Chantilly. They had the
So Veekee went to Turkey to get the Chantilly lace, and this was basically what she used for the whole wedding dress, except for the 2 that she cut some pieces of the Chantilly lace to decorate. This Chantilly was the basic thing that she used. Then she got her earrings, her corset materials, and the corset is a cupped corset, alright, so you need bra cups, you need boning, you need your lining for the Chantilly. Basically what she used for the whole wedding dress was the Chantilly net. So everything that she used, I think she must have used maybe a doll face to line the fabric, and then the tail was really long, as you can see. So for the back of the dress, it's an inbuilt corset and with an invisible zipper at the back. So this Chantilly was just halfway to the back, and it's an inbuilt corset. So we are going to be doing a inbuilt corset tutorial by the time we are ready to make the upper part. And the boning you are going to get is your plastic bone, because as you can see, the boning structure is actually showing, so you know that it's a very strong bone. And then you get enough tool for the veil net, and after everything was done, the Chantilly was doubled, as you can see, and she just cut out some flowers from the Chantilly net and just used it to design the upper part, and the dress was mind-blowing. So in my next video, when next I'll be posting about Veekee James wedding dress, we are going to be making the mermaid skirt part. I'm going to teach you the arcing technique on how to achieve the mermaid skirt part of the Veekee James wedding dress. Then in another video we are going to be learning the cupped corset part, and I'm going to be enlightening you, showing you everything that she used to achieve this particular dress. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you in my next video. I love you and I care. Bye.